Lowe Alpine are the pack specialists. Pack making is what they do, and they do it well. Case in point, the Altus 42 to 47. I'm about to hike up to Preikestolen in the Norwegian fjords to see how it handles heavy loads. This is one of those packs that you'll find a use for all year round. That's thanks to its volume adjustment and also its brilliant carry system. So in winter, it's perfect for those big days out where you need to carry everything you need to stay safe in the hills. While in summer, on a day like today, it's really useful for those weekend wild camps. It's in the carrying comfort that this really excels. Inside, there's a tubed aluminium frame which spreads weight right across the back, channeling it down into the hips. There's also a lumbar support which fits really snugly in the small of your back, and then a pre-curved, well-padded hip belt. While this might have a fairly clean look to it, there are actually loads of useful features to discover here. Take, for instance, the ice axe head lockers and trekking pole tip docks, all of which can be neatly tucked away. Then there's a detachable rain cover at the base and 8 different pockets altogether. Stretch ones on the side, zipped ones on the hip belt, and this big one at the front for stashing in your waterproof jacket. Well, it's been a long and steep hike up here, but I have to say the Altus has been comfortable, it's carried well, and it's been extremely well ventilated. I've been very, very impressed.